Basta mag-sit nurse, exit na.
So, ito na, no? BP. Sir? Sir, pwede lang po matanong bakit ganyan po yung format ngayon? Sabay-sabay. Pwedeng sabihin para mapabilis? Sabay-sabay articles. Thank you po. Yan. So, ito na yung ano, pre-trial conference.
Sabay-sabay na.
Ganito ka naman nangyari nung
Last time.
para mag-list. Okay naman sa mga parties.
Composed of both prosec and defense.
Yes. For today, there are two remaining articles. Articles 1 and 2. Those are the documents. So hopefully, we get to finish it within the day so that we can start working on the pre-trial.
So, puro documentary to.
Yes. Marking of evidence, yeah.
Okay.
So, wala nang pag-uusapan, sir, sa mga witnesses. As in, talagang puro mga documents na lang.
They just have to find their comments on the stipulation of facts as per their commitment the last time. They filed it until the end of office hours today. So other than that, we just proceed with the marking of what remains of the documentary evidence pertaining to Articles 1 and 2.
Then, after nang makumpleto, sir, yung remaining two, what will happen next, sir?
We'll look at transcript, we'll review the marking, and then we'll draft the pre-trial order for submission to the impeachment court.
So, last day na ngayon, sir, for the conference.
Kung hindi matapos, pwede pa.
Then we continue tomorrow. But we aim to finish it today.
Sir, considering na parang marking to, bakit may mga ugong-ugong na nagkakainitan pa raw yung mga lawyers? Totoo po ba yan?
Every time that lawyers gather together in a room, you can expect that, no? It would be unusual if there would be no exchanges between lawyers. So nothing unusual, nothing extraordinary. It's something that you expect whenever lawyers discuss.
Pero sir, yung sinasabing mga nilamon ni ganito si ganyan.
No, that's not.
But there were
We provided food, no?
pero meron mga argumento, but the tension.
There were some exchanges, there was some discussion, but again, nothing out of the ordinary. It's something that you should expect from lawyers. Attorney, may mga natanggal ba na evidence? Natanggal? Wala naman. It's just marking. It's just marking. Questions on the admissibility of evidence will have to be determined during trial.
Sir, even, sir, sa witnesses, sir, wala, sir, yung mga parang na-eliminate na witnesses? Okay. Lahat, sir, basta,
They decided that the list of witnesses shall be as submitted in the respective hearings.
So, walang surprise, witnesses na na-expect?
So far, I haven't seen any of that sort.
Pero kung, sir, may pre-trial na, ang assumption doon, lahat nandun na na-present nyo. So, possible, hindi naman binabar yung presentation ng mga surprise witnesses and documents?
Both parties have the right to make reservations as to witnesses that may not be available yet during pre-trial. And they would have to inform the parties of the calling of such witnesses at least 3 days before the scheduled hearings. So that's allowed in the rules of court, that's also allowed here in the
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Yan, si Senate Secretary Attorney Ray Bantug. Now, makikita nyo dito, ito, lawyer naman to ni VP Sara Duterte.
Attorney Sheila.
Yan, both from prosecution and defense, magkakasama sila. Ito naman yung mga maleta ng evidence. Ayan, mga dokumento. Mamarkahan kasi yan eh. Ma'am!
Attorney, kinain niya raw ng buhay si Congressman Luis Do. Totoo ba yun?
Nagpapa-interview ka? As nurse lang?
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Let's go out na.
Yan, as you can see, yan, defense and prosecution team, nag-uusap-usap naman sila.
Tara.
Okay, but this is a private prosecutor. Okay. Pero ito lang yung unahan. Pinapalabas na yung media.
Tara. Exit frame.
Wala pa ka. Mag-wait lang ako.
Ay, sorry.
Guys, okay na ha. Pawait naman ha. Pawait. Pawait daw, pawait. Para bago lumabas.
5 seconds lang yan.
Alright, so,
Guys, pawait daw, pawait.
pinapalabas na yung members of the
Pawait
media.
daw.
Pawait, labas.
Okay na, para okay na tayo.
Binit na tayo. Nagana po si Congressman.
Mas tayo kuya, katras. Kuya.
Sorry kung yung reaction again dun sa last time ng mga news. Was it true, Kong?
Fake news.
Hi, Kong. Ilang articles na lang kung yung kulang? Dalawa.
Do we expect any fireworks po, Kong? No fireworks? No fireworks.
Anything expected to
Hi, Kong.
Morning po. Morning po.
Alright. Okay, so, yan. Kailangan lumabas na dahil ang totoo niyan ay, closed door. Closed door talaga yan. Pero, pinagbigyan lang yung media na makuhanan sa loob. So, if you hear yung mga yung mga questions about kung may fireworks, kung merong initan, kasi may information in the past na medyo nagkakainitan sila sa loob, pero marking of evidence pa lang, kumbaga, hindi pa naman talaga trial. But, ayon nga sa isang lawyer, kasi normal naman daw sa sinabi rin ni Secretary Bantug na syempre pag nagsama-sama nga naman abogado, both defense and prosecution, magkakainitan dahil yun yung job nila to debate para ipagtanggol yung kanilang mga kliyente, both sides. So, yan. So, kung dito pa lang ay may sparks na may fireworks na, paano pa kaya sa trial? Parang ganon. So, yeah. Pero sa ngayon, nakita naman natin sa loob, magkakausap naman sila. Kumbaga, hindi naman sila talaga yung sabihin mong sobrang mainit sa isa't isa. Siguro dala lang nung pag nagsimula na yung mga arguments, counter-arguments, ayun na, parang isipin mo na nagkakainitan sila or nagkakagirian. Yan. So, yan muna. Babalik huli kami maya-maya pag may update na dito sinasagawang pre-trial conference para po sa impeachment case ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Pre-trial pa lang to. Ito yung pagmamarka na evidence. Kung meron silang kayang pagkasunduan na testigo, testimonya, mga ebidensya, gagawin na nila yan para mas mabilis na at mas planchado na sa mismong trial. So, yan muna po. Mula dito sa Senado, Sandra Aguinaldo, GMA News.